What's happening, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And I've been up to a lot of different things lately. I've been going through my old coin collection. If you haven't seen my last couple of videos, I ended up actually making another channel. This is going to be called PizzlesCatTime, just because I don't want to inundate my tech channel with a bunch of coin type videos and coin products. Even though these coin microscopes are pretty cool tech products, I know a lot of you guys aren't going to have a need for these unless you're actually maybe repairing motherboards or doing electronics repairs, which is really awesome. If you haven't checked out these digital microscopes, I'll put one down in the description and you guys can check it out. I wanted to make this video really quick because I saw a bunch of these products on Amazon and they all looked very similar. So I hadn't thought anything about it. I had bought one of the cheaper ones. I had got it, and luckily it worked really well. It was just a 1080p one. It's by a company called EKLIV or EKLIV or whatever. It's on Amazon. It was around 30 bucks, and you can't go wrong if you're just trying to look at things a little bit closer. It's great. But the photos and videos weren't great, and obviously I like to have very high quality photo and video. So I thought if I wanted to make content about these coins or about repairing a motherboard, I might want to grab a better resolution camera. And that's when I ran into this issue that Amazon has a lot of the same products, and what ends up happening is they get like labeled that another company has, and they're always these brands where the name brands, like you can't say them, you can't remember them. It's like EKLIV, PCB, XQIC, whatever. And I ended up getting a 4K microscope from a place called QCPCP, something like that. I'll list it down below so you know maybe you should avoid this one. Specs wise, it was awesome. And then I saw a lot of other reputable manufacturers also made, not reputable, but a lot of Amazon manufacturers or sellers had this same exact microscope, but just with their brand name on it and maybe a few different accessories. And that's when I really realized this might be a problem, because I ended up getting this microscope in and it was getting very hot. The menu, it was very cheesy and clunky, and just something didn't feel right about it. And then I turned it on like the second day and it wasn't working. The screen was flickering. I tried a whole bunch of different stuff. I reset it and then the flicker was still there. So I immediately returned this, and upon looking on Amazon, I saw that a lot of these products are really exactly the same thing. So I would really avoid any 4K microscopes that look exactly like this one. It had a 2-foot cable. It was barely usable. I ended up getting this one from Star, and I can say it is much better. Functionality wise, image quality, and video quality wise, it's a lot better, and I haven't had any of the issues that I had with the other one, but I just wanted to let you know, and I'll give you some examples of the photo and video quality here. This is not going to be a full review or suggesting that you go buy this Star one, but what I can say is they do make a much better product than those other brands on Amazon. So if I had to do it all again, I would definitely choose something at least from Star. They may not be perfect, but it's high quality and it definitely gets the job done. It's not as bad as this other one was. The quality was pretty bad on a lot of these other microscopes, guys. Keep that in mind when you're shopping on Amazon. If you see multiple products that look the same, definitely beware and do your research, guys. Make sure you listen to a reputable reviewer like myself. I've been reviewing products for 10 years. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss my next video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Affiliate links down below. They don't cost you anything, but they greatly help me out. And there might be another video right over there that you might want to watch, or I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.